Introduction to Convolutional Neural Network. Hello everyone. In this video, we will learn about convolutional neural networks, also called CNNs, in a simple way. CNN is a type of machine learning model. It is mainly used to work with images and videos. CNN is an advanced form of artificial neural network. It is specially designed to understand visual data. Why CNN is needed? Images are made of pixels. Each pixel has values for red, green, and blue. CNN helps machines understand patterns in these pixels. That is why CNN is widely used in computer vision. Examples include face recognition, image classification, and object detection. How convolution works. An image can be seen as a block with width, height, and depth. Depth represents color channels. CNN uses small filters called kernels. These filters move across the image. At each step, the filter extracts important features. This process is called convolution. Because filters are small, CNN uses fewer parameters and works efficiently. Layers in convolutional neural network. Input layer. This layer receives the input image. It holds the raw pixel values. Convolutional layer. This layer applies filters to the image. It creates feature maps. Activation layer. This layer adds non-linearity. ReLU is the most common activation function. Pooling layer. Pooling reduces the size of feature maps. It makes the model faster and reduces overfitting. Flattening. Flattening converts feature maps into a single vector. Fully connected layer. This layer performs classification or prediction. Output layer. The output layer gives final results. Softmax or sigmoid is used for prediction. Advantages of CNN. CNN automatically learns features. It works very well with images and videos. It gives high accuracy in visual tasks. Disadvantages of CNN. CNN needs large amounts of data. Training CNN requires high computation. Understanding the model is difficult. Conclusion. Convolutional neural networks are powerful models. They are the backbone of modern computer vision. Thank you for watching.